Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the Fast Trak display. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing I'm going to do is lay out my panels. So I'm just going to unfold, and it doesn't matter which side because it's got the same fabric on both sides. And next I'm just going to begin to stick down my panels. So what I like to do is align them on the top and then work down the side and then go across. So I'm just going to align it with the top and make sure it's straight, and then I'm just going to line it down. And what's great is that the loop allows you to adjust the graphic whenever you need to. And then I'm just going to use my hand to make sure that it's secure on my panel. And then I'm just going to keep repeating these steps for the other two. Now that I have my panels attached, I'm just going to stand my Fast Trak up, and I'm just going to set it off to the side. Next, I'm going to attach the graphic onto the header, and you're going to repeat the same steps as you did for the panel graphics. You're just going to center it on the header, and when installing it, you want to make sure that you have the graphic, the writing facing towards the bottom where you're going to clip it onto the top. So you're just going to attach your graphic, and then you're just going to attach it to the top. So using the bottom clip, you're just going to slide it on, and it's just that easy to set up your Fast Trak display.